Hey everyone, this is Igor with Upfit and welcome on our YouTube channel. And today I'm introducing you Pro30 V1 Rooftop Sleeper installed on the 2018 International DuraStar. Yeah, this is a non-CDL straight truck with 26 feet box, and this sleeper actually fits any DuraStar 43, 40, 400 models. So even if you have an older truck, we can still install a sleeper on it. If it's a completely brand new truck, we can also install a sleeper on it. So later I'm gonna show you how it looks inside and what's the difference between V1 and V2 sleeper. But yeah, here's a few facts about that sleeper. So this is DOT approved sleeper, which means it meets all DOT regulations, and it's a very light sleeper. So if you're afraid to put it on because your load capacity will go down, no, that's not the case. That sleeper weighs only 240 to 250 pounds, so this is really light. And what I can tell you is that sleeper will pay for itself. So what I mean is because of its shape, it will improve your aerodynamics, so it will basically work as a wind deflector, and especially in such weird time we live in, that sleeper will help you save some money and maybe make even more, because we think this is a great addition for OTR and especially for regional operation. So unfortunately that sleeper will not work for team operation, so you cannot be inside of that sleeper while the vehicle is in motion due to safety measurements. But yeah, that's a perfect solution for solo operation. And if you're afraid or if you ask us what's the maximum weight capacity of that sleeper, I can tell you it can hold probably up to 450-500 pounds. But unfortunately, I don't want to offend anyone, but you have to be physically strong in order to get inside the sleeper. You'll have to climb up inside unless you want to take off your seat bench and install a ladder to make the process of getting inside of the sleeper easier. So something like that. If you have any questions about the sleeper, if you want to hear some more facts about our products, please leave us a comment below under this video. And for any quotes or additional information, please feel free to reach out to our sales office by phone or email, preferably by email, because it will be easier to send detailed information. But yeah, we would love to hear your feedback, and in the meantime I will show you around. Hey folks, yeah, I'm gonna put this away. Oops. And in order to get inside, I will have to take off my jacket and take off my shoes. Yeah, the customer has a lot of stuff here, so it makes the process a bit more difficult. But while I'm taking off my shoes, you can see that we installed air hose connected to dash air vent. And that means that if you idle the truck, you can turn on your heater or AC and close all other vents, and the air will go straight to the sleeper. And I will later show you the outlet inside the sleeper. Okay, so I'm inside, and I'm standing right on the seat bench. And in my case,
I will just climb inside like this. So for me it's really easy. And when I'm inside, I just release that button and I close the door. Same thing when I want to get off. I just secure the strap and I'm here. Okay, I'm here inside of the sleeper. When I get in, I just climb like that. I close the door and I put the mattress back. Press on it a bit so it's leveled. And after that, I take my pillow and I just relax. And you see that I'm sleeping in the on the side of the sleeper, but I also have a lot of space over here. So basically, when you ask about size of the sleeper, the side of the sleeper can fit 2 to 3 people in here, so easily. And here I am laying in the middle. So I have a sunroof, which is standard in all of our sleepers, and I can turn it, open it up like this. There is a light in every sleeper. Over here it's located, very convenient. Here on that side a big big cargo pocket, let's call it that way. So with just a small compartment where you could put some of your belongings such as phone, tablet, laptop. It's the same one on that side, but it has a regular 12 volts outlet and 2 USB outlets, and also small charger. And here we have we installed the parking heater. We installed 2 kilowatts diesel heater, which allows you to get heat inside of the sleeper without idling the truck. So it basically takes the fuel out of your fuel tank, and it just works on its own. So really a good option for the winter. Okay, so a few words about the difference between V1 and V2 Pro30 Sleeper. So basically, it's just a change in design. So originally we produced those sleepers. It was like a first test version of the sleeper. We made it pretty plain, and we saw that there is a demand in those products. And after that, we decided that we need to modify it and make it more look more nicer. And that's when we came up with a V2 design option. So V2 comes with a completely different back wall of the sleeper. There is an option to add RGB LED lights. You can see how that looks in one of our videos we recorded about Pro30 and the Mercedes Sprinter truck. So basically that is just a smaller sleeper comparing to sleepers for Freightliner, Hino, International trucks, but it has the same idea. So it has a completely different layout. It also has a small storage compartment under the mattress on the front wall. So instead of this net, there is a storage compartment underneath while I'm laying down right now. So, but that's in V2 option, and pretty much that's all the difference. But no, one one more thing that we also added to V2 sleepers is cover of the sunroof. So there is a shade you can use to protect the sleeper from the direct sunlight. And there is another extra option that we just added to V2 sleepers is side window shades, or blinds, wherever you call them. So yeah, you can make it completely dark inside of your sleeper in the V2 version, so which is one of the biggest benefits of that sleeper. But we still have full warehouse of V1 sleepers, and it may take a while until we run them out of them, so they are available for installation anytime. And V2, we try to pre-order them for customers, so you can come to us and place a special order, and we will order you a V2 sleeper with any additional extra options that we offer. So another thing that we started recently doing is adding AC units. So again, that option is only available to V2 sleepers, not V1, but we can also do it with any other sleeper models, for any other truck models. So if you want to order it, you can do it for Ford Transit, rooftop, or extended cab sleepers. The same thing for Mercedes, Ram ProMaster, Hino International Freightliner V2 sleepers, and extended cab sleepers can be ordered with AC units. But unfortunately, we cannot add that AC unit to existing sleepers. It must be pre-ordered, completely new sleeper, unfortunately. So if you want to get a quote about AC or want to learn more about it, please reach out to us by phone or email. It's always listed in the description of this video. And yeah, again, I've said it before, feel free to leave us comments, feel free to leave us your feedback. Like this video, share with your friends. You can share it in any public groups on Facebook, so we would highly appreciate it. That will help us to spread the word about our products, and yeah, something like that. So we will keep you posted about new updates, and yeah, we will also have some excited news shortly. So please subscribe to our channel and keep an eye on our activity in social media. So we'll see you. Thank you so much.